Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. This Mercedes-Benz is powered by all-wheel drive, 3.0-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 150,459 miles. Experience luxury at a fraction of the cost with this 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. Unrivaled elegance, robust performance, packed with features, all in pre-owned condition. Make it yours today. This pre-owned GL 450 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, power tailgate, third row seating, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Mercedes-Benz GL 450 is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control ESC, traction control, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.